Welcome back. Hi, hello, salutations. Firstly, a sincere apology for the lapse in time. Once I finished with the Wish.com Batman bike and hung up my hockey pads, Joshua and I set a plan in motion to finish Model D. You remember that 6-wheel diesel Tesla? Well, it was given up on. But, neither Joshua nor I are the type to start a project and not finish it. So spoiler alert, we did! And then the car ended up back in the hands of who held the title and immediately resurfaced online. Surprise! Alas, you may just want to see it move, but we figured you might want to see the whole series of the car actually being built. Yes? Well then, have a seat on Joshua's lap. Kidding, that's reserved for Cat only. So you can find the full build process here, and probably a driving video will pop up elsewhere. Yes, it's still complicated in the cinematic universe, but not for any of the reasons speculated upon online. So however things will play out, who knows? Life is a highway, and I'm gonna ride it all night long! Well, in the videos I've posted, anyone could see that I'm in Mass or New Hampshire. An island visit to attempt some pottery, yoga, bird watching, things of that nature. What have I been doing? Well, I don't work anymore, and I'm beyond grateful for that. So to squash the rumors of being in prison, dead, random court cases with incorrect names, the 160-page court case that I'm named in against Elon Musk, or digging up my past arrest logs during my idiotic teenage years that now show up at the top result of anyone Googling me, or any rumors that I did nefarious things, no. I may be a little turd, but I'm also committed to making the world a better place in the little ways that I can. And oh, what is this tab? Oh look, it's the car that almost unalived me. And a clean title? I don't condone this type of trash. What the actual fuck? Fun place to transition. So with all of the free time, I am in the midst of doing everything I can to preserve the legacy of our family home that my grandfather built with his bare hands. By maintaining and repairing it with my bare hands. And all the things that brilliant soul taught me. Because he was my hero. And when I'm not doing that, I've tried to give back in any way that I can for the incredibly charmed life that I'm luckily still living and grateful for. Since death or near-death experiences seem to put everything into perspective. I had a stranger knock on my door asking to film a scene at my home as an aspiring film student. I gained this door-knocking mentee, and I aim to help him as a childless adult that can explain all the things that one shouldn't do in life, and then give him the 15 tips I know on filming stuff. So, being an animal lover that has literal raccoons for pets, I started volunteering at a wildlife rescue clinic. It's been immensely gratifying to help creatures on the planet that have no real formality of assistance for such. And the team here is incredible. All of those that have DM'd me, emailed, called, supported me, sent me a steak, a stroopwafel, left a comment in a particular place and then had that comment deleted, or saw me in person the rare times I go out in public, or showed up at my literal house. Thank you. In regards to this car, I wasn't gonna bother with any of this because quite frankly, it makes me depressed. And therapy is tiring, but so is hiding how you feel. When the horror in life goes down, you learn who your real friends are. Joshua is one of the best friends that I have, and we both struggled through this. And to all of those that I haven't met here that showed support, thank you. And I mean it, because there is nothing quite like feeling that people care, especially strangers, when you're just quietly suffering. Alright, that's enough vulnerability for now. I have 184 hours, 2 minutes, and 69 seconds of footage to go through, so here's documentation of two people with a lot of free time that you haven't seen in a while doing ridiculous things. Let's drive on down to Joshua's house. I've been doorbell shamed. This is amazing.
Honey, some ding-a-ling is at the door.
Would anybody ever say that to you?
Probably.
It's good to be back. Hello, Turbo. Oh, there she blows. Yep. Look at that. Looks a bit different these days, Joshua. I don't even know where to begin. What do you want to talk about it, or like?
The honest answer to that is no.
The honest, yeah, of course not. I don't honestly know where to either, but I'm compelled to do the right thing because before I could even walk again after the crash, you were doing all this work here, unfilmed, unnoticed. You've done 70% of the work on the damn car thus far, and now that I'm minimally, moderately capable and here to see it through with you because we are not quitters. I've seen you a lot, but this is the last time I've seen you here for obvious reasons. But a lot's changed. Joshua and I will most likely not be around anywhere else, so we rely upon viewers like you to help stoke the fire and keep us in existence. We've been pretty burned on this, But like, this is more of a metaphorical fire. You know what to do. I mean, I have faith in the internet will prevail. So like, comment here and other places like a literal virus, and subscribe if you want to see this dumpster fire. Something to help the algorithm. Love you guys. Oh man. Sidewalls and the fenders. That's sick. Because last we left it, we were having a bear of a time just trying to fit the motor in. So, in terms of firewall, no, I guess a lot of that is not intact. That's all new too.
Firewall was there, but I had to modify it.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, like the
I had
whole.
to modify it for the dipstick too. You can see here where that X used to be a complete X. I had to cut that out and redo it a little bit.
Right, because the top part. I mean, this is. Look at the patina now. That's nice, Joshua. It's been here so long.
It's rusting in place.
It's rust in peace.
Rust in place.
You've got your radiator, and you've masterfully made this to go right around it. That's new. Everything's new. So many new things. I'm glad we've kept with the original pipe action. Don't go putting your mouth on that when it's running unless you want to. Well, this is nice because you can still just attach the fender right to it, no issue. That's awesome. And no splashy.
Yeah, you're not gonna get nothing dirty.
You're not getting anything in there. That's for sure. Where did that even come from?
The store.
Which store?
Shifter.com.
Is that really what it is?
No.
Oh, so we're gonna have to adjust the center console then, huh?
Basically not gonna have them.
Not at all?
Nope.
Can we have we need a little rest?
Rest for the wicked.
Yeah, I guess not, but not even an armrest behind the button? No?
Nope.
That's the only place you could have put that, huh?
No. Just gonna break it.
Alright, I'm not looking to break things today. If that's not something on a Mad Max, I don't know what is. Very satisfying. You're proud of that, aren't you?
Yes, I like it.
Every glance, it's like there's just more and more little modifications and welding everywhere. How long ago did you make that? That also has a patina. I was like, Joshua, what the... That's sick. When did you pick this up? Where did the air... We talked about it on the phone, but...
I wasn't gonna put it together, like I said. It's just a straighter valve that goes in the tube, and then that's how you blow up each airbag.
Can we make an extra one for mountain bike tires?
Good.
Just for on the road, you know, if like you get a flat on your bike.
It's literally a three-way, putting a line somewhere. Unless you want separate. If you could do separate bags, or you could do front and rear.
Yeah, I give it a little Carolina squat. No, it is a scavenger hunt. Where are the compressor tanks?
2 5-gallon compressor tanks in this car.
5?
They're not that.
Where are you? Aha! All right. I was gonna say, I was like, I've combed over everything up top. Wow. Would you look at that? Does this mean we should now call Model D bag? Model D bagged? D-bagged? That fits in there like a fist in the eye, huh? That looks awesome. Jeez, I'm crow.
Skid plate or nothing? It's in there.
It's certainly in there.
It's all in there.
Great tank placement. Are we gonna put a cage or anything over that, or are we just gonna kind of?
Sir.
I'm just gonna leave them. I mean, the frame. It's gonna be fine.
It's above the frame. I mean,
Yeah,
you're not taking this off road.
What?
You're not taking it off road.
Are you sure about that?
Well, I'm not sure about anything, but
I'm not either. Well, that's a fender. That'll fit the dually. Good lord. I like that. You just ratchet strap that tank in there?
just ratchet strap it. Time to move on with life. Solid though.
Well, hey, then it's not going anywhere. I mean, most of the EV conversions with batteries I've strapped onto bikes and whatnot. It's fair. It works. Tape works too.
Cost effective.
Cost effective. I mean, that'll even out the weight a little bit.
No help.
These fenders will help. It's like two Cybertrucks mated with the rear end, and there you have it.
Yeah.
What'd you do here?
That's called, it's built out of scrap.
I was gonna say, was that an extra piece? It's built out of scrap. I mean, Tony Stark made the first Iron Man suit in a cave, so.
Tony Stark was able to build this in a cave
You did this with a box of scraps too.
with a box of scrap.
You get the point.
Wow, look at the patina on that one. Like your fuel.
You didn't hide that one.
No, I like that fuel cap. You didn't. You decided. You know, you could have gone through the taillight and you said no.
Already done that. That's been done.
I mean, there's nothing subtle about the car, so it's like, why?
Why hide that?
I mean, Joshua, you had maybe 16 and a half inches, and you could have, but you said, I'm all set.
Negative.
No, this is nice. It's in there really good. I'm just gonna get a nice detail of, once again, the fine ass welding work per usual. Wow. All right, there's your little copper line and your T going to the back. You just leave the high voltage cable there for fun, or?
It's the battery cable. That was my tribute to Tesla.
That's the battery cable?
Yeah.
Did you? It's not-
On purpose, yes I did.
Yeah, I was like, what gauge is that?
1 aught.
Huh?
1 aught.
One ought to do that?
1 aught to do. It's right on it. Made in the USA. With the best.
I don't think we can say that anymore.
It's true, because some of the stuff is garbage. But
Yeah, I was just saying, we're producing a lot of trash these days. I'll show you. This is a battery nut. It's going to a 12 volt.
this is probably one of the only 4BTs with this bracket.
And what is that off of?
Dodge trucks.
I guess everything's bigger on a Dodge. You kind of expect it to be a bit.
Yep.
Yeah, that's flexible enough.
So you can run this cable. That's your TV cable for throttle valve cable for your transmission. So figuring out how to mount that bracket is for that cable. Because your throttle cable used to just go directly here. So I had to come up with all this nonsense. No, I've seen some 4BTs with automatic transmissions, but they usually customize where they put the TV cable.
Sure.
So it has been done, but I've yet to see one that actually used the bracket. When I asked the guy who was into 4BTs if the bracket fit, and he told me yes it does, and no it does not.
Truth comes out.
Not without modifying.
Right.
And that's not what I asked him. I asked him if it was a bolt-on. He said, yeah. And then you can't. This is in the way.
And where was this gentleman?
Online, interwebs. But
So-
he's a big 4BT guy.
In one of the forums?
No, he's got his own business.
Oh. Well, we're not in the business of calling people out, so we'll just leave it at that, huh?
But the 12 valve pump is two injectors longer, so then this wouldn't be in the way.
Right.
This would go tight up to the body. But it's on there, and it should work. I don't see why it won't work.
Right. That's just a thing of beauty right there. You have the remnants of what you shaved off of it?
The original one, put the turbo too close and it just hit everything when you flipped it upside down.
Right. Look at this precision snippage.
Snip, snip.
Snip, snip. Looks like my brother's
I heard
bicycle.
your brother's gonna cringe when you
Yeah, I was gonna say, hold it out of my head. Oh, that's too soon, too soon. What a bracket. Wow. Wow, what a hole. For those wondering, originally the square body could tow anywhere from 10 to 12,000 pounds. So, Tesla, ooh.
I can show you outside, but these plates I cut from the original frame that I cut off.
Yeah?
Those are square body plates.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, square body, another rest in pieces.
Rusting in place.
It's obnoxious. It straight up now looks like it's just Cybertruck infused. And it's already rusting. Totally fits the bill.
These are technically designed to be toolboxes. They have a bottom. If you were to cut a hole and put a lid, you'd have a toolbox.
So, decent sized storage. Yeah. You could put your Lunchables in there. You could snack.
You put your snack bag in there, ratchet strap.
Not that the Model 3 ever had problems with that. Well, I mean, we did delete the front. The front's gone, so. Now Joshua and I need to go to the hardware store, but I just wanted to get some video out to you guys to let you know that we're here, we're doing stuff, and I really, really appreciate you checking in. You know what? It means the world to me. So thanks for being here, and I hope you guys have yourself a lovely day, and we'll see you soon. Ciao. You get married every time you come home? I've